Hello friends, let us solve one more example based on these simple equations. We'll be solving many number of problems in this series. So yeah, I'm reading out the question. In a sequence of 20 consecutive odd numbers, the sum of first 6 numbers is 648. Find the sum of last 4 numbers in the series. I hope you noted the question on your paper. So I'm quickly solving this problem for you. So what? Consecutive. In a sequence of 20 consecutive odd numbers. So what do you mean by consecutive here? Consecutive is nothing but successive, right? As simple as that. Successive. It is nothing but your successive. That means one after the other, right? So what do you mean by odd numbers, huh? We know that numbers which leave a remainder of 1 when divided by 2 are called as odd numbers, right? So you very well know the meaning of consecutive and odd numbers now. So let us quickly move on to the solution. So what he's saying, in a sequence of 20 consecutive odd numbers, the sum of first 6 numbers is 648. Okay, there is a sequence of 20 odd numbers. It doesn't mean that the sequence starts with only 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 7, 11. It can be it can be anywhere. It can be starting from 7, 7, 9, like that. So for 20 numbers, and see, it is not a, that means it doesn't mean that 20 numbers starts right from the 1. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 7, like that, so on up to what, 20 or something. The series can even start from 7, or the series can even start from 9 and 13, 9, 11, 13, and it can go up to 20 numbers. Okay, so you please keep it in a mind. Okay, he did not mention that the series is starting from a particular number. So if we consider the least of them as x, suppose the series starts from x. Okay, the series of 20 consecutive numbers starts from x. So what are the remaining 19 numbers? So your x plus 1 and x plus 3 and x plus 5 and x plus 7 and x plus 9, so on up to 20 numbers you'll have. Okay, these are the numbers you have, out of which the first 6 numbers sum is 648, right? So the first 6 number means x plus 1 plus x plus 3 plus x plus 5 plus x plus 7 plus x plus 9 plus x plus 11 is equals to what? 648. This is what he's saying. This is what he meant by the statement he's given in the question. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6x, 6x plus 11 plus 9, 20, 27, 27 plus 5, what? 32, 32 plus 3, 35, 36. So 6 plus 36 is equals to 648, and your x becomes 648 minus 36, 612, 612 by 6. So your x is 102. Wow, you're almost you have done almost. So the first 6 numbers are what? First 6 numbers are what? X plus 1, x plus 3, x plus 5, right? The first 6 numbers are 102 plus 1, 103, 105, 107, 109, 111 and 113. You just substitute 102 here. 103, 105, 107, 109, 111, sorry, 111, 113. So the first 6 numbers are these. Got it? And so you can easily find out, oh my god, so you can easily find out what will be the last 4 numbers in this series. So this is first number, second number, third number, fourth, fifth, sixth, and you can easily write all the 20 numbers, but it takes a lot of time. So we'll just quickly generalize this. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for the first 5 numbers it is 111, and for the 5 numbers more it will be 113, right? So for the first 10 numbers it is 113, right? So for the 10 numbers more it will be 123. For 20 numbers it will be 143. So the last 4 numbers are, this is the 20th number. Okay, this is the 20th number, and the numbers before this 20th number will be what? Last 4 numbers, 137, sorry, this is 143, right? So the before number will be 141, and before this it will be 139, and before this we'll have 137. So these are the last 4 numbers. and he did not ask us the last four numbers. He asked us the sum of last four numbers. That means 137 plus 139 plus 141 plus 143. That means this is 560. So you can even write the entire series here: 103, 105, 107, 109, 111, 113, and the next this is seventh number will be 115, 117, 119, and you can write up to 20 numbers. I'm just generalizing here. For the first, it is 1 2 3 4 5. Wait. For the first 5 numbers, it is 113, and 5 numbers more will be 5 numbers more will be 113. Sorry, and then 10 numbers more will be 123. 20 numbers more will be 143, and hence the 20th number is 143 here. Or you can just write the sequence of 20 numbers. If you feel this as quite uncomfortable, you can write all the 20 numbers here, and you can figure out what are the last 4 numbers in the series, and you can add them. Okay, this is all for this lecture, and thank you so much. Okay, let us